I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
Coming up on today's vlog.
Not today. Not today. Not today. Not tomorrow.
Morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I'm here nursing the little one. And she's been up since what time Daddy got up? I think my husband got up at 5. And she slept with her sister. And I slept in my bed with my husband by myself for the first time. And I forgot what it's like to be in the bed with my husband by myself. Like, I've always co-slept, and every single time that a child graduates out of our bed, we add another child into the bed. So I woke up this morning and it felt good to wake up the way I did, if you guys can read between the lines. Anyways, so he woke up at 5, and then she woke up a little later and came in. She was mad at me because she slept with her sister. And I still haven't gotten up, and it's like almost 10 o'clock, and I'm still in bed. Still in bed. It's just one of those days where I just don't want to get out of my bed. And I've been dealing with something like really personal that has my emotions all wrapped up, and I'm just trying to get through it, you know. And it snowed last night, and they canceled school. So my kids are here watching YouTube video. They already had breakfast and stuff. But I need to get up and go take care of myself and just get the day started. But good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Get in my room. Guys, you see all this mess on my floor? I have to get up and clean. Get out of my room. Get out of my room, girl. So I have to get up and make my bed. And then that basket right here, I have to put it away. And then I have to clean my closet. So you guys are going to come with me today while I do all this. Hey, give me the man stuff. No, back off. No, this is not your room. This is Daddy's stuff. No. No, back off. Back off. Back off. This is not your room. You need to get away. No. You don't go through Daddy's drawer. Do you want a pow-pow? You want pow-pow? Yes? You want pow-pow? Pop. Give me a butt. Give me a butt. Give me a butt right now. Give me a butt. Give me a butt. I need to get up. You have the pee-pee? Okay. It snowed. There's snow on the ground. I hope my neighbors can't see me. Because I don't have any clothes on. Okay, so I have to clean my room. This is clean. That's clean. I think this is clean. I think that's dirty. And this is dirty. And that one for the Ugg boots still lingering. But let's get to cleaning. Good morning, guys. Feels so good to be refreshed. I was thinking to myself just now in the bathroom, and I want you guys, especially my younger viewers, if you're viewing this, I want you to know, never let anyone put your candle out in life, regardless of who you are. Never let anyone put your candle out. Because I was thinking to myself, others' expectation of who you need to be, who you are, is their problem. You know what I mean? And they try to, you know, they try to cut your shine because they feel like you shouldn't shine brighter than their, you know, Bath and Body Works candle. You know, they feel like their life is up here while you're down here burning your Dollar Tree candle. You know, and they're like, put that out. That's not the one. That's not the candle you need to be burning. You need to be burning up here. Like, the moral of the story is don't let anyone put your candle out, regardless of who they think they are, okay? If you think you're bougie, be bougie, okay? It doesn't matter if you have $1 million in your bank account. It doesn't matter if you have $10,000 in your bank account. It doesn't matter if you have $5 in your bank account. If you feel like you're bougie, you're bougie. Don't let nobody think you're like, oh, you better. Of course, honey, I'm better. I'm not better than you, but I'm better. No, I'm the best thing that God ever created on this earth. Anyways, good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's clean up this house. Let's clean up this house. This is what happened when your toddler thinks she's bougie. You bougie, Maddie? Get out of my stuff. That's not said to come get clothes out of your room. Come on. Let's go get your stuff out of your room. Yes, please. Come on out. Thank you. Let's go to, yeah, let's take you and you go here to your bedroom. Go to your bedroom. Yes. This is what we're talking about. Yes, Leah. This is your room. Yes, your things. Yes, be great in here. Yes, be great here, okay? All right, you stay here. You stay here while I back up. Good morning. Guys, look. I don't know how long this has been here. It's been here for like 4 or 5 weeks.
No.
Good morning.
3. Maybe get lunch.
Lunch. Do you know what time it is?
Yeah, well.
Get it, mommy. Oh, get it, mommy. Get it, mama.
So creepy.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Increase my territory. Increase my territory. Increase my territory.
When there's no hope, living
Increase
you
my
who
territory.
before I knew who I'd be.
Hey, y'all room better be clean. That's all I have to say.
Can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything.
I want to do this. Girls, what is that? Oh, okay, who am I kidding? Nope. Not today. Not today. Not today. Not tomorrow. Nope. Not doing it. Not doing it. I'm done. Who the heck am I kidding? That's too much. I was trying to make a really nice video for you guys and slap a title on it and, you know, be like all them regular, you know, the other YouTubers that do this. My heart is racing way too fast. I don't have time for this. And then I have my daughter standing up in the corner holding the camera on me while I record me doing something I can do later. Not doing it. That was supposed to be a morning routine, or no, that was supposed to be a day in the life. No, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Y'all done pissed me off. No, heck no, got me over here doing things I usually don't do. No, those clothes can stay for another day. The heck? Who am I kidding? I ain't kidding, not a single soul. I'm gonna go plop my behind on this couch and wait till my husband come home and fuss at me. I'm so tired. Hi guys. Hi. Guys, look where I have to hide my charger end so Maddie don't eat it. She stay eating my charger end pieces, so I have to hide it down here. She thinks I'm gonna feed her. She really do think I'm gonna feed her after she had breakfast. Like, oh, it's so pretty outside. I wish you guys could see it, but no, I'm hungry right now. I'm hungry. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I already did. I showed you guys and almost exposed myself to the neighbors. And if you're watching this neighbor, I apologize. I didn't mean to flash you like that. I am hungry right now. Daddy said to make ground beef, but don't make it ground beef fish, like little tiny. Oh my Jesus! What? Give her something. She wants something. He said not to make it ground beefish-ish. To just make a little miniature ground beef. I'm sorry, guys. I meant to say meatballs, not ground beef. What? Anyways. I'm like, dude. So, I'm getting ready to clean up at my kitchen. Because, yeah, your girl fell asleep last night and fell asleep with a dirty kitchen. Woohoo! As if you never fell asleep with a dirty kitchen. So I didn't do a fill-in grocery haul because I showed you guys what I got from Aldi's on the little receipt. If you want to see what we purchased, just go back and watch the I donated for the first plate plasma. I donated for the first time a plasma video. You will see. Well, you won't see the item, but you'll see the list of stuff. So that was $35. Add that to the budget, and you will get the figure. And I'm hungry right now, but I don't know what to eat. What time is it? 12:20. I wasn't even trying to fast because I was like, you know what? I've been plateau, like, and I was like, screw this thing. It's 12:20. I didn't even know I was fasting. Let me go find something to eat, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So, am I the only greedy person that uses 1.5 ramen noodle? Because I feel like by the time you get started eating the ramen noodle, you by the time you start tasting the flavor and stuff, it's over. The noodle is done. So I'm just like, usually 1.5 fill me up. And then I put onion powder. I add some garlic powder. I had some garlic powder in here. And then I had some this guy right here. Because I feel like the chicken flavor on this is not the best. A lot of people are like, you got a lot of sodium. Okay, well I have one life to live, okay? And I'm living my best life, alright? How about you? We're all going to die someday. We're all going to die someday.
That's true.
So, I'm living my best life while I can. I don't know about you. Finish whatever is left in here. Put some cayenne pepper. And then we're going to put water. Then we're going to microwave this sucker for 7 minutes.
No, finish. This is my stone bread. What's stone?
This thing does not let you select.
How many minutes do you want?
Yeah.
What minutes do you want? 7? You guys just want 6 to put at that much.
Okay, we're going to add 8 minutes. Okay, guys, so I feel like I have way more than enough footage to go ahead and end this right here, because it's just like anything more, it's just like I feel like people are not gonna watch. So anyways, I got a really bad headache. I don't know where the headache came from, but I have a really bad headache and I need to go tend to that. So anyways, without further ado, let's end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.